Would you like to try our signature crafted garlic white cheddar? How can I help you?
What are you getting?
You go first.
I'll get the $1 McChicken.
Okay.
And then I'll get a double cheeseburger off the the value menu.
A cheeseburger?
Yep.
Anything else?
Nope, that's it.
$2.15, that's the first one down.
All right, thank you.
You.
Oh, that's you.
Yeah, I told you.
Well, that was the first one though too.
What? Oh, no, dirt.
Okay, is mine going?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Once we get out of here, are we just gonna pin it or what? Huh?
You too.
You too. Zach, go first.
Hey, we gotta take a picture by the time.
Okay. And then after that, we book it. This is actually pretty funny.
This is, yeah. I'm surprised the trip this
I'm surprised they don't say anything.
I know.
I'm gonna ask, like, no, never mind, I'm not gonna say that.
Well, snowmobilers can go through the Taco Bell.
Hi.
We got another order too.
Do you have both orders?
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Good night, guys.
You too. They don't even care. Come on.
Hey, grab that.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, groove. Baby girl, watch how you move. What?